welcome you in my first lecture on JavaScript language. So let's get started. In this first lecture, I will teach you some some basics of how to output something on your browser. So we will write our HTML first. You need to know this before you can get started with JavaScript. So just some body. We will write more of these in later lectures. You will just simply create a folder and two files. One will be HTML and second will be .js. You can name it whatever you want. And first of all, we want to link our script here. So in the body, uh, we are linking this JavaScript files always at the bottom of our whole HTML, because when we have page where it's a lot of stuff, we need to at least let load HTML and CSS first, then we can wait for JavaScript. So we will type tag script, we close the tag, and inside this first tag we write source src and just simply script.js because we have it in the same folder as HTML file. We can switch to JS file and let's write some code. So we will type document.write and for example hello world or whatever we want. So what this basically do, when document is loaded, then do this function. This function is called write, and we want to output to our browser this string here. This is string. That's like text or whatever between these quotation marks. So we can check it. We refresh and we see hello world. So now I think for the first lecture that's enough for you. Just try it out for yourself and enjoy it.